Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Vantis life insurance online. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Vantis life insurance online, begin by visiting the official Vantis Life website. On the home page, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. If you are a first-time user, look for the option that says Activate Account or Register. Select that option to start the activation process. You will now be prompted to enter your policy number. Find your policy number on your Vantis Life documentation. Next, enter your last name as it appears on your policy. After entering this information, click on the Continue button. You may need to verify your identity by answering some security questions. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, you will be asked to create a username and password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. After setting your credentials, click the Submit button to finalize your account activation. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully activated. Now, return to the login page and enter your newly created username and password. Click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations, your Vantis life insurance account is now active and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.